traditional Chinese breakfast pancake recipe. A conventional Chinese breakfast hotcake is a vegan flapjack dish eaten in China, ordinarily for breakfast. Preparation time, 20 minutes. Cooking time, 20 minutes. Serving, 4. Ingredients, 1. Ground garlic, ½ teaspoon. 2. Salt, as required. 3. Chinese pepper, 2. 4. Ground pepper, as required. 5. Red onion, 1. 6. Cilantro as required. 7. Sesame oil, 2 tablespoons. 8. Tapioca flour, ½ cup. 9. Almond flour, ½ cup. 10. Sliced scallion, 1 cup. 11. Coconut milk, 1 cup. 12. Chinese 5-spice powder, ½ teaspoon. 13. Ground ginger, ½ teaspoon. Instructions, 1. Mix in both the flours in a bowl. 2. Add the chopped red onions. 3. Add the sliced scallions into the bowl. 4. Add in the spices, Chinese pepper and cilantro. 5. Mix the ingredients carefully. 6. Grease a pan with sesame oil. 7. Add the mixture in small quantities in a pan. 8. Let the pancakes turn golden on both sides. 9. Add a little cilantro on top of the pancakes. 10. You can garnish the pancakes with any other thing that you prefer. 11. Your dish is ready to be served.